Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a camera movement following your face in a video on CapCut. So just import your video into CapCut with a visible appearance of your face like this, and after that click on the video and swipe through the toolbar and choose the camera tracking. Select this camera tracking option and then choose the face option. Click on track. Now CapCut will track your face in a video. Just wait until the process is done. Okay, so the duration of the tracking depends of your length of video, so just wait patiently. Okay, it's nearly done. Okay, now the camera tracking is done and you can just adjust the rotate, fit canvas and keep face size, but this will be the final result. So it will move following your face. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.